don't like Wendy Williams.
What is that, Mary?
Because she's obnoxious. She's obnoxious.
Who don't you like?
Wendy frickin' Williams.
But why don't you like her? Like, her show is like...
She's like, ah! That's what she's like.
But she's like, oh, hi, everybody. How are you?
No, that is clearly not what she's like. She's not that courteous.
If it was Ellen versus Wendy, I think Ellen would be like, out of the way. I own the TV industry. I love Ellen DeGeneres.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Why are you recording like my bed?
Because people want to know what your bed looks like.
They see it often.
What are you, a performer? Like online?
What?
Like an online performer? Like they see it often.
I meant in my videos, not in that way.
Boy.
Hold on.